So student, see the example 6. So very easy. Savita and Hamida are the friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and same birthdays? Now for different birthdays, the first part is for different birthdays. Okay, I am writing in short. The different birthdays means the favorable outcome. Favorable outcomes will be the whole year, the number of days are 365, and the one common day that may be fall for the common birthday, so that we will subtract 1, because the common day will be 1. If their birthdays fall on the common day, that common day we will subtract from 365, so the favorable outcome will be 364 for different birthdays. So the probability of different birthdays will be 364 upon 365, favorable outcome upon total outcome. Now second part, same birthday. Same birthday means very simple, the one common day. Assume that the 1st December they having the same birthday, 1st December having the same birthday, so that is the one day. So the favorable outcome are 1. Favorable outcomes 1. So the probability of same birthday will be 1 upon 365. Okay student, and this can also be solved by using that formula I explained in the previous video. Probability of even plus probability of not even means E bar. Probability of E plus probability of E bar, just opposite of E bar 1. So we can find out any one. If you know any if 1, for example you know this one, the same birthday means 1 upon 365. You want to know the probability of different birthdays, so you will write here probability of event is 1 upon 365 plus probability of event E bar 1. So probability of E bar will be 1 minus 1 upon 365. So this will be 364 upon 365. So you should not be confused. This is the solution over. This I am giving you the choice. You can use this formula also for the second part. If you know the second part, you can find out the first part. If you know the first part, you can find out by second part, because these are complementary. Probability of event plus probability of E bar. Now student, example 13 is very important example. Listen student, for this you have to learn the preparing of chart. So first of all, let me show you how to prepare the chart. Listen, first of all we'll do one thing. We'll draw the all outcomes, means for dice, this is dice 1, this is showing the dice 2. So for this dice 1, let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay student, for the dice 1, we make the vertical columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times. Now for horizontal, listen student, now listen what we will do. For the horizontal, this one, we will write here 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So these are the ordered pair for the two dice. Okay student, now it is very to choose our answer. See the first part. First part is when the sum is 8. When the sum is 8, you can see where is the sum 8, 6, 2. Okay student, this 6, 2 is 8, 5, 3, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 5, and this will be considered separately. Listen student, 5, 3 and 3, 5, because these are vice versa for the separate dice. So 5 3, 3 5 are not same. Then 6 2. So this is how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5. So the favorable outcomes, we will write favorable outcomes 5. So the probability of when sum is 8 is 5 upon total. These total outcomes will count, this will be 36. The total ordered pair, these are 36. So the first answer is 5 upon 36. Let us see the second one. The second, when the sum is 13, 13 means greater than 12. So it is not possible. Okay, you can see at a glance there is no possibility of 13 because maximum sum is 6 plus 6, 12. So favorable outcomes are 0. Favorable outcomes for this is 0. So the probability of event is equal to 0 upon 36 means 0. This is called the impossible event that we learned in the previous video. Now see the third part. Third part is less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. As you can see in a chart, all are favorable outcome, either less than or equal to 12. Equal to 12 means 6 and 6. So the favorable outcomes are 36 because all outcomes, all pair following this condition less than or equal to. So the probability will be, the probability of event will be 36 upon 36, that is 1. That is called the sure event. That also we learned in the previous video.